You made it to writing day 4, where we're going to publish or put it all together to show that our expertise. So you got to use your Foursquare from writing day 3. You've already done the work. You've just got to put it all together. So let's go finish our writing. So I have writing day 3 here and I have writing day 4 here. I've been teaching you how to copy and paste by doing the 2-finger click, but I've got another way to copy and paste. So on your keyboard, you'll see this Control C and Control V. So Control C means to copy. So you're going to hold that CTRL button and hold the C button, and then you've copied it. Then you let go, and then you go to where you want to paste it, and you hit Control V, and it pops up. So let me show you. So here's our prompt. I'm going to take what I wrote in my Foursquare for each problem. So starting with number 1, or our topic, I'm going to highlight it all blue. I'm going to hold that Control and hit C. It doesn't do anything, but I hit it. And then I'm going to come here to my writing day 4, and I'm going to hit Control V. And look, it's right there. Crocodiles and alligators are similar yet different animals. So there it is. So make sure, let me show it again. I'm just going to delete this to show it. You've got to highlight it blue, highlight it all blue, and C, and then come here where it's a flashing cursor, and you hit Control V, putting all your writing together. Make sure to hold that control there, or else it'll make everything turn into the letter C, and you don't want to delete it. Or you can still do your 2-finger click, like so, copy, and then 2-finger click and hit paste. Either way, or you can sit there and type everything you wrote for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 into your writing day 4. Either way, you have all the work done in writing day 3, so put it into writing day 4. Good luck.